How do you make sure you stay on track to hit your financial targets? I'm Denise OBerry, and you're watching The Little Big Show, your place for bite-sized tips that can have a big impact on your bottom line. No matter what time of year it is, it's important that you stay on top of your financial targets that you've set for your business. You don't want to get to the end of the year and find out that you have a huge gap to close. That means you need to regularly assess where you're at in your business and whether you're on track for where you want to end up. Look, I know this stuff isn't as fun or sexy as finding creative ways to market your business, but it's important to your business health and sustainability. If you don't stay on top of it, you may find one day that you have no business. Here's an easy way to keep track. Once a month, take a look at where you are in relation to your financial goals. Put an appointment on your calendar for the same day each month to go over this. Things that aren't on your calendar don't get done. So what are you looking for? Well, there are 12 months in every calendar year. You want to look at how far you are into that year and compare it against the goals that you've set. Here's an example. Let's say you're 9 months into the year. With only 3 months left, you should be 3/4 of the way to your goal. So if you set your financial targets at $150,000, then that means you should be right at $100,000 right now. If you're not at $100,000, then you need to calculate the gap. Take the gap amount and divide it by 3. The result is the additional revenue that you'll have to bring in for the rest of the year in addition to what you already planned if you're going to achieve your financial goals. So then what you need to do is you need to create a list of action items and steps you're going to take in order to make that happen. Organize your action steps for each week of the month. But what do you do if you discover that the gap is just too big in order to close it by the end of the year? You have 2 choices. You either adjust your targets downward or you make a commitment to do whatever it takes to reach that goal. Do you pay attention to your company's financial health? Why or why not? I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you know a small business owner who could use the information I shared in this video, send them off a link to it right now. They'll appreciate you for it. Make sure and hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way you'll get first notice every time I upload a new episode. And don't forget to pick up a copy of my free Success Strategies Guide, 10 Keys to Success for Small Business Owners. You can get it at DeniseOBerry.com. It contains tips that I don't share anywhere else, and it'll help you move forward in your business. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next week.